Hey guys, this video is going to be a demonstration of SpinPress, which is a tool to do content spinning for WordPress. So basically it allows you to create as many variations of the same page as you want on WordPress. So I want to keep this video short, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is to create an account. So here you can log in with your email and password, or you can simply use Google, which is what I'm going to do here. So when you are logged into your account, you're going to need to connect your WordPress site. And to do that, first of all, you're going to need to download a WordPress plugin that's going to serve as a connector to our tool. So click here on download, and it's going to download the file for you. And once this is done, you can go to your WordPress site. So here I have a fresh installation of WordPress. Go to plugins, go to add new plugin, then click upload plugin, choose file, and here select the file you just downloaded. Click install now and click activate plugin. That's it for the plugin. So next, let's go back to our account. And now we're going to need to connect our website. So for that, click on add website. So give it a name. So my cool website, and enter the URL for your website. Then click Save Changes. And here you should see your site appear. But as you can see, the problem is that it's not connected yet. So we're going to do that now. So click here on View. And here, as you can see, we're going to need some information for the connection. So we're going to need the username, which is the one that you use for your WordPress site. So in my case, it's admin. I hope in your case, it's not admin, guys. And then we're going to need an application password. So application password is not the password that you use to connect to your WordPress site. It's something that you can create, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So go back to your WordPress site, go to User, Profile, scroll down to the bottom, and here click on New Application Password and give it a name. So SpinPress, for example. Click Add New Application Password, and here you can copy this password and paste it here. Then you can click on Connect Website, and here you should see that your website is connected. So if I go back to my dashboard, here I can see my website is connected. Now, what we're going to need to do is to create a template page. So I'm going to go back to my WordPress site. I'm going to go to Pages, and here you can create a new page if you want, but here I'm going to use this one, which is already here. When I say template, I mean a page with variables inside. So for example, let's say I want to create a page for a carpenter in different cities. So let's call this page Carpenter in City. And as you can see, when I put a name like this in between double curly brackets, it's going to be a variable. So it means that this part is going to be replaced. Okay. And so city, and I can do the same country. All right. So here I'm going to update. And of course, you can change the title, but you can also change the content of the page. Okay, so here I have my page with different sections. And as you can see here, I have some variables. So here is the same, so city, country. And I also added a little description here. So all of this is going to be replaced later. Now what we're going to do is to create a CSV file for values for those variables. So here, for example, you can go to Google Sheets and create a file like this. So with the title of the variables as the first row, and then some values. So here I just added some different cities, different countries, and various descriptions. So in Google Sheets, you can simply go to File and click on Download, and download as CSV file here, and up is going to download the file for you. Now we can go back to SpinPress and click on your website here, and here you should see a list of all the pages of your website. In my case, I only have one page, but probably you have some others. You're going to select the template page, so here with the variables, click on Spin. Here you can choose the CSV file you just downloaded, so here in my case, Carpenters, open, and here you should see that it found the variables in my file, so city, country, and description, and here I'm going to click on Spin Content, and here we go. So you should see all the pages are being duplicated, and as you can see, I have Carpenter in Moscow, Russia, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Cape Town, Africa, etc., etc. So it looks like it worked, but let's check. You can click here on the page to view the details. So here, as you can see, the title have been replaced, which is what we wanted. And here, if I edit in Divi Builder, up, you can see that the title has been changed and the description as well. Let's check for another one. So Berlin, Germany, for example. Here, the title have been changed and the content as well. So of course, this is a very basic example, but you can create as many variations as you want with as many variables as you want. And that's it. So I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any question, you can contact me by email or on Twitter, and I wish you a very good day.